because I was okay because they had written before the video that yes, there will be an explicit words being used in the video, so I was okay with the words being used because they had written already before the video.
Definitely, it's today's youth. Everyone knows about everything now. You don't have to hide it for anything.
Yeah, I mean it's really okay, and it wasn't offensive to the people who are watching. So, and you use it in your daily life. So why do you feel bad when?
Yeah, it was perfect. It was awesome. Okay, damn good man. Yeah, because in normal life people do not talk like that.
Yes, there should be freedom of speech. People can say what they want to say. Obviously, it was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I mean the way they expressed everything. No one had a problem with it.
No, it wasn't too over the top, but yeah, a few references were bad. But then it doesn't. You don't have to feel offended for that.
Not at all.
No, that's perfect.
It's perfect. It was. It was not much closer to it. It was perfect.
No, it was nice. It was practically like it was very practical, and doesn't make sense, banning the thing for a country. Definitely, it was completely okay. I mean, they were going at such an expense to make us laugh, and I don't really think that it should have been taken down just for using explicit language.
Yeah, I think it was for a cause. So, and everybody was having fun, and it was for a cause, for a good thing. So I think it's fine.
No, it was not. It is not fun without humor and explicit. So okay.
Yeah, maybe. Depends on the humor, but sometimes the explicit is the humor.
And yours?
You need both. You can't have a roast without explicit.
Yeah.
No, it should be little vulgar and explicit. It should be, yeah. Explicit
No, it's more funny that way because more original.
Yeah, there should be a combination of both to make it entertaining. What's the point of a roast without explicit? There's no point.
Yeah, it was perfect the way it was because the explicit they made everyone laugh so much. So I think if there were explicit, the humor would be more maybe.
Yeah, it was fine. I mean, it should be a little bit less, a little bit, because it was, yeah, it was fine.
Definitely. I mean, see, when they are saying it's a roasting show, when you know you're watching a roast, then why would you get offended? You know it is something, it's going to happen.
And it wasn't like anyone was forced to watch. It was a ticketed show. So you paid for it because you wanted to see it. On YouTube, the computer is not forcing you to click on the tab. So you've opened it because you want to see it. If you're feeling offended after seeing it, that means you're just plain stupid.
That was perfect. It was the only place where you could drag everyone. Otherwise, they roam around, be all cool and all, but here they come on the
I think that's perfectly right. I mean, everyone has the right to speech. However, sometimes when people offend people, it's wrong. However, this way is not offending anyone from the outside. They are offended people within the adults themselves. And if they are okay with it, then we shouldn't have a problem with it.
They do have the right to speech, and all their videos are like that.
Yeah, they do have the right to say what they want to say, and like obviously people are enjoying such comedy, it should be allowed.
Yeah, everyone has the right to speech. Not a right to explicit, but yeah, it's right to speech, and that's pretty. The knockout was pretty fine. What AIB did was correct. I mean, they had this roast for a charity, and they even raised 40 lakhs for it. So I think what they did was pretty good.
Okay, so YouTube is a medium where people can connect, where you can connect to the entire world, they can express their thoughts. So I think, yeah, it should be free, and people banning these videos, it will make them think twice before expressing their views. So this is going to affect not only the AIB, but all the other channels and us.
Definitely, 110%.
I don't think I need to answer it. I mean, that's what I mean, no one wants to see Southbow crying in the kitchen.
Exactly.
We prefer people being roasted.
The roast, like no doubt, hands down. I mean, who wants to watch a Southbow series? Come on, the roast, hands down.
There's no.
We followed AIB since their first video, and they are extremely fabulous, and like I look up to them for what they've done, and they're amazing.
A roast needed.
Depends which day we go.
Oh God.
but it doesn't change the culture just because you watch those. That it was just fun, so then your culture doesn't change because you watch something like that. It's the same tradition going on and it will go on.
No, it's not against the culture. It's not against the culture because if there are so many things that are against the culture, then stop it. Stop showing Bollywood films because apparently, I mean, stop
Intercaste
everything.
marriages are not allowed. Don't watch.
Everything, it's just stupid. It's not against culture. A show doesn't define your culture in any way.
I think, we need to, India is sort of backwards when it comes to this. We need to start moving with the times. If we don't, then, some time ago, we believed that widows should be burnt and stuff like that. So, then that was wrong, right? So it's all stupidity. We need to be a little more open. Of course, some things, we tend to insult some things over the top, which is also incorrect, but people need to chill a little bit. Like, this country needs to get a sense of humor.
No, I don't think so. Like, Indian culture is developing and as well as we are. And it is very normal because the
I think
culture
it
is
depends
developing.
which guy you're talking about because the older generation is still very conservative and the new generation we're like liberal and we're used to all this.
Not at all. Like, go properly, meet people of India. That's the way they talk. Okay, it's nothing new. It's not that, they've come from an alien planet or something and then, they're using explicits like those. It's pretty cool.
Definitely not. What they did was, that's how Indians talk every day. If you see people right now, they'll be abusing each other and like in the daily use of words, they abuse each other. So I don't think there was a problem.
See, it is today's humor. This is what the kind of humor everyone in this country at this age likes. So if the government is taking it down, then I think it's pretty dumb of them because they think they are stopping us, but we are just going to see some other side and just watch some other thing.
We should probably cancel freedom of speech and expression from the constitution because that's what they've just done.
I think that was completely stupid. In fact, instead, more people know about the video now after they've taken it down. So they just give, no publicity is really bad publicity, so they just give the video more importance after taking it down, which is completely retarded or like part of the government. Yeah. That was so stupid.
Made no sense.
It's not right because just because they're public figures, there was a warning given that this show will be like that.
And the celebrities were, their consent was taken beforehand, so I don't see what the problem is.
It was really stupid of them. And it's not that only AIB is the one using explicits. If they want to ban something like that, ban the whole thing, like ban everything. Why just the knockout?
It's damn stupid them having a problem with such a tiny thing. They don't have problems with anything that happens in India like rapes, gender discrimination, nothing. They don't have a problem with anything like that. But when someone expresses their views and they want to make people laugh and they have explicit language, they want to ban that. I just think they shouldn't have taken it down.
Thank you guys for watching our video. If you guys enjoyed the video, put it on thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram, and guys, we do need subscribers. Please subscribe our channel.